Are you having trouble with slow website loading on your iPhone? It might be time to clear the cache. Cached data can slow down your browser and cause various issues, but don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily clear the cache. In just a few simple steps, you'll free up space, improve speed, and fix many common browsing problems. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down and find the Apps section. When you find it, tap on it to open it. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. So scroll through the list and find the Safari app. After you find it, tap on it to open the app settings. When you're in the Safari app settings, you'll see several options. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and you'll see the Advanced option. Tap on it to open additional options. Once you're on the Advanced section page, tap the first option on the page, which is Website Data. At the bottom, you will see a list of sites and data saved on your device. Here, you can review all the data, and if you want to delete it, simply swipe left on a site you wish to remove. If you want to delete all the data at once, tap on Remove All Website Data. Then tap on Remove Now to confirm the deletion. And that's it. After you've deleted it, your device will be faster and websites will load properly. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want more similar tutorials like this. See you soon.